In cell signaling, there are three types of receptors: ion channel linked receptors, which are used for acetylcholine cation channels; GPCRs, which are G protein coupled receptors; and enzyme linked receptors. In GPCR, there are CAMP pathway, IP3 DAG or PLC beta pathway, cholera toxin, pertussis toxin, rhodopsin pathway, and nitric oxide signaling. In enzyme linked receptors, there are receptor tyrosine kinase, in which RAS-MAP or ERK pathway, IP3 DAG, PI3 kinase or AKT pathway, in which mTOR and insulin is used. Next is uh, tyrosine kinase associated receptor, in also known as JAK-STAT, uh, which are used by cytokines. And next is receptor serine threonine kinase or TGF beta pathway. Next is receptor tyrosine phosphatase, and next is histidine kinase associated receptor. In ion channel linked receptors, the example is acetylcholine receptor, which is a ligand gated cation channel. When two molecules of acetylcholine binds to the receptor conformation is altered and the channel opens. Then small molecules such as calcium ion, magnesium ion, hydrogen ion, and potassium ion enters the cell. Next, and a vast family of cell surface receptors or GPCRs. The full form is G protein coupled receptors. These receptors, these are receptors of polar signals present on plasma membrane and are 7 transmembrane domain. The N terminal is present on extracellular side and the C terminal on cytoplasmic side. These are receptors for the signal of vision, ordinary molecules, transducins, glucagon, epinephrine, luteinizing hormones, serotonin, vasopressin, and many more. Receptors also regulate metabolism, that is known as metabotropic receptors or serpentine receptors, cause it span membrane 7 times. This is the structure of GPCR. As we can see, the N terminal is present on the extracellular side and C terminal is present on the cytosolic side. There are many types of G proteins. Some are small and some are large. The small G proteins are form of one single subunit, also known as monomeric subunit. These belong to RAS superfamily. The examples are RAN, which is used in nuclear transport; RAB, which is used in vesicle fusion; ARF and SAR1 in vesicle formation; RHO, RAC, CDC42 used in cytoskeleton rearrangement; RAS used in RAS-MAP pathway, which we will study further; EFTU used in protein synthesis. And large G proteins, which is present in GPCRs, are made up of more than one subunits, or in GPCR case it is made of 3 subunits, also known as these are called as heterotrimer, in which G alpha, beta, and gamma subunit is present. The G alpha subunit has GTPase property, that it means it can change its forms from GTP to GDP. GDP form is inactive form and GTP bounded form is active form. The CAMP inducible gene expression starts when epinephrine binds to the GPCR and the GTPase property of the receptor gets activated, and G alpha S transforms in its GDP bound state to GTP bound state, and then G alpha S gets dissociated from its trimeric form and transforms into monomeric form, and then it activates adenyl cyclase, which enzyme converts ATP to CAMP. This CAMP then binds to the regulatory subunit of protein kinase A, and the regulatory subunits then get dissociated. Catalytic subunit gets freed of protein kinase and it is active in cytosol. Then the catalytic subunit of protein kinase A goes in the nucleus and binds to CREB. It phosphorylates CREB actually. Then the CAMP response elements gets activated and expression of the target gene activates. A co-activator also used in this process known as CBP P300. A negative feedback loop is also activated when pKa, which phosphorylates and activates phosphodiesterases, which rapidly lowers CAMP concentration by changing it into 5' AMP.